Many of you have heard of whiplash, right? You get that in an auto accident and potentially some sports injuries, but it's very common in auto accidents. And the best thing I can give you as an analogy of what that is like an ankle sprain, right? So a whiplash of the neck is a strain of the muscles and a sprain of the ligaments within the spinal segments. And like an ankle sprain, when you sprain that ankle, as you can imagine, a lot of you've done that before, you're going to have a loosening of that ankle, right? It's a little bit looser, and sometimes that can last for a long time, right? I sprained my ankle 20 years ago really bad, and it's still a little loose, and it makes some noise when I walk. I'm not going to be a cat burglar anytime soon. And so ultimately, with a sprain of the ligaments of the neck, you're going to have a little bit of instability there, potentially. And that's what we see a lot in our office when we do get some auto accident injuries. And we try to address the strain of the muscle through a lot of soft tissue muscle work. We are certified in active release technique and other modalities that help with that. But then we also need to address the sprain of the ligaments and get those to heal as well. And we have different modalities to do that, such as shockwave therapy, deep tissue laser, rehab and strengthening of that area, and trying to give you certain things to do at home to really get this better, get rid of the pain and the inflammation that's associated with it, but also give you some long-term strategies. So this isn't something that, like my ankle, will last for 20 years. We want to get that better and make sure that you are on the mend. And so that's typically what whiplash is. There's definitely some other things and other variables to consider, and we always try to rule that out during our examination and process here. We are in Boca Raton, Florida. I'm Dr. Kevin Christie. We have other doctors and staff here, Dr. Gage Winkles, to help you out if this were to happen. We treat you just like we do all our other patients, and we don't kind of run you through the racket that can be the personal injury situation in Florida. And so if you want reputable doctors evaluating you and treating you and getting you feeling better and back to life, work, and sport that you want, call us at 561-997-8898 or visit our website at healthfitchiro.com.